Have you lived in Ventura for a long time, and have you think you've seen all the little parks that there are to see around here? What's up guys, John Osumi from Motionshooter Photography coming at you again with another video. So I'm at a new location here, Foster Park. It's just before you get to Ojai here in Ventura County. I've been trying some birding around Ventura for the last couple of years actually. And so this is the first time I've actually tried this park. So I'm going to kind of explore, stay pretty generic with where I'm looking for, but I will be reporting what I find here. Stay tuned. One of the things that attracted me to this place and wanted to make me to give it a try is that we're a little more rural, so we're kind of away from the city, and so I'm hoping with that I might find some different birds. So right off the bat, there's some black phoebes over there in the distance. They're in the trees and they're foraging on the ground. So I see a lot of those in Ventura, but it's still fun to shoot them in different locations. Absolutely beautiful location, a lot of natural settings. Over here I can hear a creek, so I'm going to go check that out next. And it's amazing, we're just 100 yards from the main road right over here, but once you get away from that, it's just a totally different environment. Funny, in California I think we're kind of wimpy. It's probably in the high 50s right now, but my face feels frozen and I feel like my lips aren't moving when I'm talking. I am just going to sit here and wait for a while because I saw this absolutely magnificent bird. I've seen him twice, and each pass is probably about 10 or 15 minutes apart, so I'm just going to sit tight right here and see if he comes back to me. Well, to be completely honest with you, I'm not getting a whole lot of opportunities for shots. I'm not seeing a whole lot of birds, so I think this is more of a learning experience for me. I've seen a couple phoebes, snowy white egret, and I think it was a downy woodpecker, and that might have been the bird that I was chasing earlier, but I see a lot of potential. I just have to kind of figure out what the rhythm is, where the places are, the right timing. Well, I really enjoyed this place here today. It was definitely a learning experience. I did a lot of waiting. What I've found about bird photography is that a place that you go to, once it becomes more familiar, you tend to notice movement a lot quicker. So I wasn't really familiar with the trees here and the river, and so I was late on a lot of the shots as far as seeing the birds and recognizing that there was one there. So I think I missed a lot of shots, but I also see this place as having a lot of potential. It's much more difficult shooting these birds in the wild, as they're not looking for as much human contact. So I definitely have to be more stealthy with this place, but looks like it's going to be a lot of fun. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned to see all the pictures. You don't have to wait for me to finish editing. You can see those photos right here, right now. This is John Osumi from Motionshooter Photography.